Howdy guys, Cub here. Welcome to Minecraft 1.15 pre-release 1. That's right, they have now entered the pre-release phase for Minecraft 1.15, and we also have a release date. Minecraft 1.15 is planned to be released on December 10th. So that is the day of the full release of Minecraft 1.15 when everybody will get the update. So yeah, these changes, including bees and a whole bunch of bug fixes and a lot of really interesting new niche features coming on December 10th, which is just a few weeks away. So anyways, let's get on with today's changes in the pre-release 1. First of all, if you now highlight the buttons on the title screen and on all the screens actually, you can see they are now highlighted differently. It's a little bit of a lighter color now. When you highlight the button, you see the white border right there. So that just makes it a little bit easier to distinguish which button is selected there. Another change this week is that Dark Prismarine's recipe has changed. So Dark Prismarine now requires black dye instead of an ink sac in the middle of Prismarine shards to make a Dark Prismarine. Now this is a step in the right direction for sure. Ink sacs were really hard to come by in some instances, especially if you needed a lot of Dark Prismarine. And so adding the black dye also allows you to use Wither Roses to potentially craft up Dark Prismarine, so that's a nice change. There were quite a few bug fixes to comparators in this pre-release, one of which is that the comparator while in subtraction mode sometimes didn't update visually, like this part of the comparator, these two torches right here. They didn't update visually even when the output here went off, but that is obviously not the case now, so you can see here that this is updating just fine every time, and yeah, it always is indicative of what the output is at this point. There's also a slight timing issue with comparators, so that has also been fixed. Scaffolding has had its burn time and furnaces increased. It now smelts up 2 items per scaffolding block. So every time you put in 1 scaffolding like this, you can smelt up 2 of any item. So in addition to what I showed today, there were a ton of other bug fixes, and they also did things like optimize explosions and chunk rendering. And they actually fixed a bug where chunk rendering was a little bit broken, in that the chunks were actually rendering 2 chunks short of what you had it set at. So that's fantastic to see. As always, there will be a changelog in the description below so you can see all the changes in this pre-release. And again, release date, December 10th, so looking forward to that. Anyways, for now, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Cub. Goodbye.